Hey guys, Dave with the First Place Auto Parts. We're out in the shop today and we're just about ready to plumb the hard brake lines on the 69 Chevelle behind me. And what we've done is a full-bodied brake conversion kit. And what that means is the original hard lines, especially the lines that run along the back of the axle, are not going to work anymore because the Chevelle, when we got it, originally had drum brakes. Now it's going to have rear discs. One of the things that makes this job that much easier, and like brake lines are not one of those things that kind of work. Either that they do or they don't. When they don't, they typically leak. But one of the things that the Right Stuff has done is come up with a kit called a no-brainer brake line kit. And what it does is it allows you to convert a four-wheel disc brake conversion kit painlessly. There's no bending, there's no cutting of tubes, there's no leaks. They offer a complete hardline kit for your make and model of vehicle for the four-wheel disc brake conversion kit that is pre-bent. Now this is available in original OE steel, which is what came on your car originally, or you can upgrade this kit to stainless steel, which maintains its really good looks for a long time. But what you get with a complete no-brainer kit is you get the front to rear line, you get the front brake lines, both the left and the right side, and they're marked. You also get the rear axle lines, and these are marked as well as right and left side, as well as the flex hose that runs from your distribution block at the back to the block that distributes the fluid, the brake fluid, to the rear brake lines over the axle, including all new clips. All the clips come with this kit that mount the lane line to the frame. This is a very complete kit, and like I said, it's a no-brainer. That's the name, and it tells you that this thing literally takes all the guesswork out of installing the hard lines on your car when you've done a four-wheel disc brake conversion kit. At First Place Auto Parts, guys, we offer the complete line of the Right Stuff Brake Company, both their four-wheel disc brake conversion kits, but also all their pre-bent fuel and brake lines, including this no-brainer line that'll make the installation of your four-wheel disc brakes, it'll make it a snap. Guys, you can find this stuff all at First Place Auto Parts. Simply go to fpautoparts.com. It's open 24/7, super easy to use, and there you will find everything you need to either upgrade your brake system, make your car go faster, or restore it to its former glory. Go to First Place Auto Parts, and there you'll find everything your project needs. Guys, I appreciate you watching this video, and keep the no-brainer brake line kits in mind when you buy your full disc brake conversion kits. It's going to take a lot of the frustration level out of installing those kits. You're going to get a nice, clean installation every time. Guys, until next time, keep the hammer down and keep it between the guardrails.